Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to the system of trigonometric equations. Sine of 2x equal to root 3 divided by 2. Sine of x equal to root 3 divided by 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your learning colleagues. Let's get started. I know some people might go extra mile to equate 2x and x because they can see everything the same. Sine, root 3 divided by 2, root 3 divided by 2, which implies that 2x is equal to x. So what will you solve? This is not how to solve this problem. Instead, since their right hand side are the same, you can equate their left hand side. Or you can simply subtract this equation from that one. So I think let's do that. If you subtract this minus this, we have sine of 2x minus sine of x equal to this minus this will give us 0. Yes. But this is a double angle for sine, which can be simplified as 2 sine x multiplied by cosine x. Right? This is the simplified version of this. Then we still have minus sine x equal to 0. Please do not divide every single term by sine x. Do not do that because you don't know whether sine x is equal to 0. Instead, factor out sine x. So sine x outside, inside we have 2 cos x. 2 cos x. Then here, which is already outside, we have minus 1 equal to 0. Which implies that either sine x equal to 0, you see what I told you, or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations we are going to solve separately. Let's start with this first one. Sine of what angle is 0? I always like to use a unit cycle. Remember, sine depends on what? Y-axis. So remember the coordinate here is negative 1, 0. The coordinate here is 1, 0. The coordinate here is 0, 1. The coordinate here is 0, negative 1. So where is y equal to 0? Y equal to 0 here and y equal to 0 here, which means that if you consider this as a solution, by adding 180 degrees, it will take you to this. Add another 180, it will take you back to this. Keep on adding 180, you have to get infinitely many solutions. So I think I'm not going to use degrees. Let me use radian, which means that for this particular one, x is equal to multiples of pi. Multiples of pi. Because sine of pi is 0, right? If you consider k equal to 2, it will be equal to 2 times pi, which is 2 pi, 360 degrees. And sine of 2 pi is also equal to 0. Keep on doing that. Then for this particular equation, you can take negative 1 to the other side and divide both sides by 2. So you have cosine of, what do we call it, x equal to positive 1 over 2. So the question is, on a unit cycle, where is cosine positive? Cosine is positive here and here. So we are going to obtain two solutions for this one. Cos inverse of both sides, if you take cos inverse of both sides, you are going to get pi over 3, right? Yes, x is equal to pi over 3. That is here, we have pi over 3 here, an angle of pi over 3, which is going to give us 1 over 2. Remember, it is equivalent to 60 degrees, and cosine of 60 degrees is pi over 3. If you keep on adding 2 pi, you have other solutions, plus multiples of 2 pi. You see, we have two solutions so far. Then the last solution, which we are going to obtain, will be here. So if this is 60, what will be this angle here? Let me show you how to do that. Remember, this is 2 pi, but this angle, which is pi over 3, this angle will be pi over 3 less than 2 pi. Once you subtract pi over 3, it will give you the other one, which is going to give us what? 5 pi over 3. So this angle right here will be 5 pi over 3. Let me write it here. O, okay. O x equal to 5 pi over 3 plus multiples of 2 pi. So far, we have 3 solutions. X can either be pi or its multiples, pi over 3 plus multiples of 2 pi, or 5 pi over 3 plus multiples of 2 pi. If you like, you can test either of these solutions in here and see whether it is going to satisfy these 2 equations simultaneously. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.